Well, greetings, subscribers. As many of you know, I've had a absolutely horrible experience with these self-adhesive carpet squares that I got from Home Depot or Lowe's. Can't remember exactly, but I needed to do a small patch in my hallway and also in this office space. And, you know, they seemed like it was going to be a quick fix, but the VOCs and the chemicals have just been killing me in this small room. And I actually went and got a little small Bissell steam cleaner. I did the carpets twice and then also a third rinse with just hot water, and it didn't get any better. So I had some leftover vinyl planks from Mannington, so I just went ahead and did the rest of this office with those. And you know, it was a quick job, and I'm probably just going to do the hallway now with some other planks, but that's not really the purpose of this video. I'm doing this because I have this office chair, and I saw online, like Instagram, Facebook, they've been doing a lot of advertising for the Rollerblade chair wheels, and so I actually ordered a set, and they just came in ahead of schedule. So we're going to be putting these on this chair, and that's twofold. They should be better on this flooring now, and they probably would have been okay on the carpet too, but they should be an easy install. Just pull these off, put the other ones back on, and it will also raise the chair up like an extra inch, which is what I need, because this is as high as this chair goes. So anyway, these are on Amazon. These are the Oasis. They look, you know, pretty much as advertised. Nicely packaged. It actually is pretty heavy. This box is about like 2 pounds, and they come in a set of 5. So that should be definitely much better. And with working remote, I got an extra little desk set up, so this should, you know, help going back and forth between computers. So anyway, that's what they look like, and we'll get them put on the chair. All right, so easy install. I mean, nothing really to it. Just take your office chair, pull these off like that, and then the new ones just go right into place. Yeah, so those just snap right into place, and there you have it. So we'll get the other 4 swapped out, and then we'll roll the chair around, see if it makes a difference. All right, I know this seems like it's a stupid upgrade, or maybe something not really worth spending $30 on, but I will tell you, there is a huge difference in how this chair rolls on this flooring. And I can imagine if I had the carpet in here still, it would have made a big difference. And really, with this, you don't need a chair pad or anything to protect the floor. So if you got a wooden floor or laminate, or in this case, like this Mannington vinyl plank, this is a good solution. And I got these. Again, these are Oasis Rollerblade chair leg replacements. They were $32 on Amazon, and shipped for free. They said 4-day. They were supposed to be here January 5th or 6th, and they basically came overnight. So they were local. I guess they were in stock, and there you go. Anyway, once again, like and subscribe, because you never know what I'm going to buy next.